Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. Today we are going to talk about the CHZ Chiliz, crypto, and it is ranked at 61 with well over 300,000 people on the watch list, and the volume has just started to increase over the 24 hours. So if I show you the wallet addresses of the this token, you can see over the last few weeks from 23rd of August, you can see the consistent increase in the wallet. So total holders are approximately 100,000, more than 100,000, and the biggest wallet holds 5% of the total value. I think this could be the team wallet or the dev wallets. Other than that, it's okay, 1%, and that. And the number one, this one is a liquidity locked, so 33.6% has been locked. So let's head over to the tradingview.com, and I'm gonna show you some phases of the market. And today the plus point is I'm going to show you with the help of the volume. Volume is very necessary for the complete analysis, so it is an addition today. So try to watch the full video so you can get the idea about the volume along with the candles. Now if you can take a look at this one, the coin started listed on the 2019 September, and it stayed in the accumulation phase for well over 543 days. That's too much. So almost you can call more, approximately two years, not 2 years but less than 2 years. And you can see the volume down there was 93.3 billion. So over the course of 543 days, what happened afterwards? You see the breakout happened. So usually after the accumulation, during the accumulation, the volume is very low, the candles are very small. If we can turn on the volume bars down there, you can see the volume is low. Volume was low, but here we started to see an increase in the volume. You see the volume started to increase, and what happened afterwards? You see we had a great breakout, and just in 10 days you saw the volume reached up to 40 billion, where in the past it was 43 days and total volume was 93 billion. So if we could multiply this one, so in 20 days the volume could have, or in 25 days the volume could have reached the same amount as the 93 billion. So you see the volume when started to increase, it was the time for the breakout, and you see we saw the huge breakout. Then what happened afterwards? The price then started to form a new the new support here. So we made a new support, CHZ made a new support, and the price then came into the ranging phase. And what happened during the ranging phase? During the ranging phase, we see good amount of volume, not low, not too much. But the difference here is that you can see the difference in the volume. Here we saw the volume in the accumulation phase, the volume was 31 billion for 81 days. Here in 66 days, less days, huge volume, less days, huge volume, more days, less volume. So keep that in your mind. More days, less volume means in accumulation phase. I'm gonna write it down, more days, but you get to know what I'm telling you. Here we saw more days, low volume, accumulation. You see here, less days, more volume means breakout. Here you see less, the volume is less as compared to the breakout, but it has to be less as compared to the accumulation phase. You can see here. So what happened after the ranging phase? The price then came down to the accumulation, and during the accumulation the volume drops down. And you might be wondering, the two phases are very similar, the ranging and the accumulation. They are very similar to each other, but the difference lies in the volume. The volume is the key to know about the phases of the market. So what happened here after this level was broken here at this level, then the market tries to stay above this level but with a very small candles. Okay, so it means that the price doesn't want to go down and it wants to stay above. So this was the bottom for CHZ. So what happened afterwards? Now if we take a look at here right now, you can also compare with the volume. Here the volume was large during the ranging market. Here the volume was small during the accumulation phase. Now again, as you see, the volume has started to again in the accumulation phase, but now we are in the upward direction and it is moving in the upward direction. If you follow the trend from this area, you can see here the price is going, you can see we have multiple touches at the diagonal area, so it is a valid trend line. And now you can see from the top side, if I draw the levels from the top side, you can see here we are now going in the upward channel. So we might gonna retrace like this one, and then from this area I'm expecting a breakout. So this is an important level. So let me draw the level, let me draw the price tag here. This is an important level for the breakout to happen. So once we break above 0.4564, then the price is gonna shoot up. So, okay, so on the downside, you can say this dotted line is the fractal area of support. So right now the price is above the fractal area. You can see the candle which is in formation but is also near the resistance. So very small price difference between the resistance. Here is the resistance, here is the support, so very narrow distance. Okay, so I'm expecting a breakout towards the upside. So CHZ is gonna break out soon, but first it has to break out this level of 0.45 with a strong volume. So the next target would be 0.56 all the way to 0.77. So keep accumulating this coin. This is the current scenario of the CHZ. I think you got the education as well as learning through this video and the analysis as well. So that was the video of CHZ. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.